How to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. First we need to open our WhatsApp app. Then we should click on option settings at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to find option account and click on it as well. Then we should tap on option privacy at the top. And now we need to click on last seen at the top. In appearing menu we can choose who can see our last seen. For example, everyone, my contacts, and only your contacts will be able to see your last seen. The same with contacts accept. You just need to tap on it and choose people for whom you will hide your last seen. And just tap done at the top right corner. And you can just tap on nobody and no one will see your last seen status. And if you don't share your last seen, you won't be able to see others people last seen. And that's all. It was how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.